How to fix we couldn't complete the updates, undoing changes. So if you want to fix we couldn't complete the updates problem on your Windows, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your services. So search for services under your system and then open up your services. After opening your service, you need to go with Windows Update Service. Scroll down and you'll find your Windows Update. Right click on it, go with Properties, and here make sure that your startup type is disabled and go with Start. Or you can go and stop the service after disabling it. Go with Apply and OK. After doing this, you need to just go back and open up your file manager. From your file manager, you can go with this PC, go with local disk C, and here you need to scroll down and go with the Windows folder. Under Windows folder, you need to go with software distribution. After opening a software distribution, here you need to select all of these, and then you need to shift delete all of these folders. After doing that, you need to go back to your services, and under your services, you need to double click on the Windows Update and go with startup type, go with automatic, and start the service. Go with apply and OK. And after that, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to open up your control panel. Under your control panel, you need to go with view by and make sure that you have the large icon selected. After selecting the large icons, now you need to go with programs and features. Under programs and features, here you need to go with view installed updates, which is here on the left side. And here you will have all of your updates. So you just need to simply go with the first update and you need to go and uninstall the first update. After uninstalling the update, you need to restart your device, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.